Okay, welcome back to our discussion on simplifying complex fractions. So what we have here, we have a complex numerator and complex denominator. So I think the best way that we can solve this is we try to simplify first the numerator, okay? Then magkahumang denominator na po. So let's simplify. X over x plus y minus x over y. So how do you simplify that? Well, take the LCD, right? The LCD will be the product of this factor, x plus y and y, right? So we'll have here x plus y times y, okay? And then we divide this by this, so it will be what? X plus y divided by x plus y, cancel na, mabilin y na lang, times x will have xy. Then the other one will be, well, x plus y, divide this, ang mabilin x plus y, multiply that, x times x plus y. Simplifying further, we'll have, well, x plus y times y. Then there will then become xy minus x squared minus xy. So bali, makancel lang ang xy. This numerator will be equal to negative x squared over x plus y times y. Okay? Tingnan na lang. Now, let's take a look on the denominator. Y minus y squared over x plus y. This is the LCD of that. Well, kung y lang na siya, it's assumed that nakanay 1 dyan, ano? So, ang LCD will be x plus y times 1 or simply x plus y, right? So, here we have x plus y divided by 1, that's x plus y. Multiply that by y, we'll have y times x plus y, okay? Minus y squared. Simplifying further, we'll have here x times y, that's xy. Y times y, that's y squared minus y squared. So, makancel na. Ang mabili na lang dayan kay xy over x plus y. Okay? So, now we are left with the two fractions. So let me write that. That is then equal to, the numerator is simplified into x squared over x plus y times what? Times y divided by the denominator xy over x plus y. So the simplest thing to do here is simply simplify that, copy the numerator, x squared over x plus y times y, then multiply it with the reciprocal of the denominator, no? So baliktaron lang nato na siya, x plus y over xy, okay? And as we can see here, x plus y, naka-times 10 na siya, no? And x plus y here cancels, okay? And what will be left with, oh, napano, ang isa ka x dire, makuan diyan, no? X squared divide x, that's simply x, so meaning 1 na lang na diyan na. Ang mabilin karon so kana siya cancel, ang mabilin will then become negative x over y squared, okay? And it's quite simple now compared to this very complex fraction, right? And of course, let's now do the formality of checking. So now let us check if what we are doing is somehow we didn't miss along any process along the way. So we'll check. Let's put values of y, no, x and y. Shall we say, pinakadali lang ito po di butang dani actually is, shall we say x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Kung gadali lang ka, no? So kung gusto ka, dili ka gadali, you could put 3 or something, or 2. So, but here, I want to play kanang di na po kay lisod nga checking. Anyway, I'm confident the way I solve it. So, but this just will give me a rough estimate if I'm doing right or wrong. So, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, what will happen to this? This will be what? 1 half, okay? 1 half. This will become 1 half minus, pila man eh, xy minus 1. So, 1 half minus 1, that's negative 1 half. Ang numerator dano, negative 1 half na. Ang denominator, this will be 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 half, right? 1 half kung gihapon na siya. So, that will be negative 1 half. Ano, positive 1 half. Okay? And the answer will be what? Negative 1 half over 1 half. That's negative 1. Okay? Let me check if this will be negative 1. Okay? X k1, y squared k1. So, that will be negative 1 over 1. That's negative 1. More or less, I'm doing it right. Okay? Thank you.